This Coldwell Banker Associated Brokers Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Julie Skaff-Gregg. This would make a great income property or owner-occupant duplex. Living in one side and rent out the other. This is a quality-built duplex with open floor plan. Both units are laid out the same with open living room, dining room, kitchen and half bath on the main. 2 bedrooms, laundry room and a full bath in the lower level. Kitchen has an island and oak cabinets. New refrigerator in 910. 910 has luxury vinyl flooring and new tub/shower installed 2016. Radon mitigation systems have been installed in both units. Both units have their own newly stained deck that overlooks the level lot that is lined with trees. Low maintenance vinyl siding and metal roofing. There is a storage shed and has potential for garages to be added for more income. For more information